Good afternoon, Trailblazers, and welcome to Wolf TV.
I'm Kendall.
And I'm Owen, and here are today's announcements.
This week is Hispanic Heritage Week. Friday is Flag Day. Wear face paint and attire representing the colors of the flag of your favorite Hispanic country.
There will also be a PTSA dance party from 9 a.m. until the first bell at 9:25 a.m. Please remember that all participants must follow the SCBS dress code policy expectations.
Dungeons & Dragons Club is set to begin our adventures in the Forgotten Realms on October 3rd after school. Students wishing to join Dungeons & Dragons Club should stop by Miss Mitchell's room 7214 to pick up a club contract. Club contracts must be submitted along with the club fee by October 3rd to be able to attend the first meeting. If you have any questions, feel free to email Miss Mitchell at crayonmc@myscps.us.
Today's fun fact is there are 1.25 million alligators in Florida.
The band concert will be Tuesday, October 10th at 6 p.m. at Winter Springs High School in the auditorium. All are invited to attend.
The word of the day is conspicuous. Conspicuous means obvious or clearly noticeable. Synonyms for the word conspicuous are dramatic or eye-catching. The word of the day is conspicuous.
The yearbook is now on pre-sale. Use the code 715042 to buy your yearbook at buytheyearbook.com. Buy yours before December 31st, 2023.
PTSA is selling Boograms. Send one to each of your friends. Buy online using this QR code starting October 9th through 16th. You can also buy online during lunch on October 24th or October 25th for $1. Boograms will be delivered on Tuesday, October 31st during 7th period.
Students, faculty, staff, and parents are all invited to join the Parent-Student Teacher Association, or PTSA for short. Join the PTSA today at itms.memberhub.com.
October 18th is Unity Day. Wear orange to support all students. Unity Day is the signature event of National Bullying Prevention Month. To participate in Unity Day, schools, communities, and businesses wear or share orange to unite for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. To prevent students being bullied, the goal is to color the nation and the world, to show that no child should be bullied and that every student deserves to be safe in school, online, and in the community.
Today's random act of kindness is read a book about indigenous people from your country. Lunchlines 5 and 6 are the main meal. Friday's lunch will be new nachos with toppings and pinto beans.
Lunchlines 1 and 2 both have pizza and chicken sandwiches every day. Line up in either line.
Remember to buy everything that you want in one trip through the line.
Today's weather is a high of 84 with a low of 73. There is a 60% chance of precipitation.
The PTSA Book Fair starts next week, October 2 through 5th. Be sure to have your parents complete the parental authorization form so that you can check out the book fair. We will start our celebration on October 2nd with Decades Dress Up Day. Plan ahead to look your best.
The joke of the day is, what do you call a cup of coffee? A sad cup of coffee. Depresso.
Thanks for watching.
Be kind to one another and have a good day.
And as always, let's go Trailblazers.